Juice, EJ, CK, let's get it. SB19 stands for Soundbreak. Their goal to make their music break into the industry. 19 comes from the summer, the area code up to country South Korea and the Philippines.
Hey, what the? Alas na explain nila. Okay. Explain nila yung history behind the name as an introduction. Napakaangas nun. Okay, maganda.
EJ, CK, let's get
Hip hop din ah. Yeah.
SB19 stands for Soundbreak. Their goal to make their music break into the industry. 19 comes from the summer, the area code up to country South Korea and the Philippines. I'll be spinning facts. Number one, they got 5 up in this group. Number 2, they make their own music too. Number 3, they make their own dance too. Number 4, in 2018 they debuted on the show BT. They came through. They got 5 members in this group. Still Justin, Josh, Ken, and Pablo. AA.
Damn, so ano pala to? Parang ini-introduce, okay. Kaya pala ano siya. Kaya pala siya parang SB19 anthem kasi sa 2 minutes plus na video, may explain na nila lahat. And this is good ah. Isipin mo Koreano sila, tas Master Gab, no? Damn, sikat na talaga tayo, men. Koreano na gumagawa ng anthem ah. Ang ganda. Damn.